Hello, this lecture is to construct a branching statement which is stated over one of the data structures. The data structures that we are consider in this module is a dictionary. What is a dictionary and list? What we want to do is we want to, here is a dictionary. Let's say there's a pay. Sam's pay is 75, John's pay is 57, 75, Adam's pay 25, Peter's pay 83. Given that dictionary, we can check comments. Let's say name, pay. I want to say Sam. If Sam's pay is greater than 50, then I would say bonus equals pay times let's say 0.5%. All right, print that much dollar. Okay, and then I'm going to do format and plus, and then pay Sam. I'm going to save this and then let's try to execute it. It's not complete because I didn't make one more close parenthesis. All right, so Salmon's 59.85. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask user. So name equals input, enter a name. Okay. Assume that the name pays key. Okay. Because for example, if we do print pay dot keys, then these are the keys, right? So we need to choose one of those. So for example, John, then John's is greater than 50, so he earns that much bonus. And then we can make else, then bonus will be, I would say, this is not Sam anymore. We should put here name, whatever that, here name, and name. And then here I want to say variable, and then that variable is name. So name earns that much dollar. So we need to put here name. All right, let me see. So given that name, and here, if you want to make this a list, I believe you can do list. Then not in this form, but in the list. Control S to save, Control Enter to execute. Oh, here, I need to put here name also. Then execute it. For example, if I put Adam and Adams receives Adams as 25. 25 is not it's double. Doesn't make sense, right? I want to put here times maybe 10% if it is lower than that. Okay, so more bonus than the high payers. Execute it. So we can choose one of those. Say Peter. Then Peter, enter the name Peter. Peter earns 87.15. Here, print that names whatever name that person, and then bonus is a bonus. Okay, I can put this. I don't need to say that here. I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to put that here. Control S to save, Control Enter, execute, Adam, then Adam's bonus is 2.5%. 2.5 times 10% is 2.7, 2.5. Oh yeah, that is correct, right? Let's try one more. For example, John's bonus is 3.75, so John earns that much. All right. And what else that we are going to do is that we're going to, once we have that, then I want to update pay can be is really the dictionary format so that I can have a name, that name as is, and I'm going to put say pay. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to salary is pay name. In this way, this guy does not need to access that multiple times, but one time and save it in this variable. I'm going to use it multiple times. How about that? That is more efficient, right? In this case, the dictionary is in the same memory. It is okay. But for example, every time you need to access remotely, if the database located remotely, the communication cost involved. So we assigned one-time access, assign it, and I use it multiple times. That's what I want to do here. So update here is that I'm going to use his salary as is, and I'm going to put bonus. Okay, and then I want to see pay to see if it is saved. All right, so I'm going to Control S to save and Control Enter to execute. Let's say Adam. All right, so Adam. All right, so Adam's salary is 25 as it was, and then bonus is 2.5. Let's execute one more time. John. John is now, his salary is 75 and bonus is 3.75. So the dictionary is updated. If you want to continue to save it, then once you have this, then pay should not be this. It should be used the updated dictionary. Every time when I did this, because this was once updated, not appearing here because I restart every time from this. All right, thanks so much.